In 3, 2.
All right, guys. So that's how we. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Detail Garage. My name is Hector, and today we're gonna go over pads. A lot of people always message us, call us, go, hey, how do we clean our pads? How long do they last? What do I need to do to keep my pad fresh and looking good? Like this guy. So we have here a couple pads that are pretty beat up. Jen used it on her new car that she does not know how to drive. And, but hey, she's got a cool car and I don't. So I'm gonna show you a couple ways today. Today, this is one of the easiest way by hand. Easiest way, you don't need that much stuff. So one of the ways that I like to clean my pads are gonna be with our pad cleaner and our pad brush. So you pick up your pad. As you can see, these are pretty messed up. What I do is I'll give a couple sprays on the pad and I kind of let that soak in a little bit. I grab my brush, give it a couple sprays to the brush, and then you're gonna lightly work on the pad. You don't have to dig it in. If you dig it in, you can damage the pad, so it's just a light agitation. Ooh, agitation. What you're gonna do is you just kind of work the brush in there. You don't dig it into the pad because you can damage the pad. It's just a nice light agitation to the pad. Get everything, get the cleaner in there, get into the pores, and just give it some love. Back and forth, you know what I'm saying? Give it a little agitation. And then you grab your, there's two ways. You grab your microfiber and you kind of work it in there and you get all that stuff that was on the pad off. Now, as you can see, it's getting there. Another way I like to do is I'll run it through warm water and kind of work in more of the cleaner, and then I just do that until the water runs clear out of my pad. I then will stick my pad back onto my machine and then turn it on high and get it as dry as possible. And then again, leave them out on the table or you know, a little bench that you may have to keep your pads and just let them dry out either for the next hour or so, or you can use them right after if you want. So after you work in the pad cleaner with your brush, you're working in really good. It doesn't take that long. You get a really great result with minimal tools. So here's a nice 50-50 of our pad. So another awesome and easier way of cleaning your pads is using our universal pad washer. We have these on our website right now at www.chemicalguys.com. Go ahead, guys, go to the website, check them out. It's an awesome product. It makes cleaning your pads a lot easier. So what I have here is another dirty pad, and what we'll do is we'll spray a couple sprays in here. There's water in here and a grit guard. We'll spray our pad as well. It's just a couple sprays, not much is needed. And then we also have our awesome TORQ Rotary. So we'll put this on our rotary, like we're gonna polish something, okay? And then this will eventually go in here, you'll do a couple pumps. This will shoot the liquid and the cleaner into the pad, and in a sense condition the pad, and then allows you to clean it a little bit better. So let's get started, huh? Here we go. All right, guys. So you grab your rotary here, you put it in here, you close the safety latch here, and on level 1, you start it and you just give it some pushes here and there, and then you go. You really get in there, don't be afraid. So then after you've done that, it looks really aggressive. I promise you it's not damaging the pad at all. You'll see the pad right now, it'll be nice and clean. But you'll stop, you take it just off of the grit guard in there, you turn this on high, and you're pretty much getting all the water out of the pad, as much of the water as you can. Turn it off. Remove this little safety latch here, and the pad is nice and clean. You essentially have done, you can do, a lot more pads in a lot less time. So if you are a professional detailer or not, a guy that does it at home or a gal that does it at home and has a lot of pads, this is an awesome product. Check out our TORQ Rotary as well. Also on our website, chemicalguys.com. And that's it. These are the easiest ways and fastest ways to clean your pads. All right guys, so that is how we clean our pads here at the Detail Garage. Please make sure that you check out all these products on our website. You can get anything that I use here today on our website. So feel free to please subscribe to this channel, because if you don't, I'll find you. I find everybody. Give this video a thumbs up and a like, and any questions you may have, please put them down below in the comment section and we will get to them. Have a good day, guys.